Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I came up with another haul video. I purchased some makeups that I really want to show you what I purchased. So stay tuned with me till the end, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that you can be notified for my any other video. So today my haul video is from, guess, it's from NYX. Their eyeshadows, I love their glitter, and I am in love with their vivid eyeliner. I am in love with their glitter glue. So I am in love really. So I purchased some of goodies from them, and I want to show you what I purchased. So the first thing I bought this NYX Born to Glow foundation. This is their new foundation. I am in shade 12.7 natural tan. The foundation said naturally radiant foundation, which I love the most. I don't love a matte base for my foundation, though I'm an oily skin, but still I don't love a matte base or a matte finish foundation for my base. So this one claim naturally radiant foundation. So this will give you a sheer cover. This said medium to full coverage. Let's see. This is a new to me, so I will try it and give a full honest review to all. So let me just swatch the foundation. So this is, oh my god, it's actually full coverage for me. Yeah, it's a medium to full coverage. You can build up, as they can say. And yeah, this is not matte, which I love the most. The next thing I bought, a concealer. This is their Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and I am in shade same 12.7 natural tan, and this claim that it will give you a matte finish, which I like for a concealer. Concealer should give you a matte finish. So this one is actually full coverage concealer. Yeah, as you can see, it was a tiny amount, and look at that, it's not that matte. This one also will be my first impression, so let's see how it works. The next thing I bought, the Can't Stop Won't Stop loose powder. So this one will be, I actually use their eyeshadow glitter liner a lot, so I don't know their face, I don't know about their face products. So this all will be my first impression, and I will try to make a full face of NYX Cosmetics video soon. This one is a setting powder, and I am in shade medium. So there is nothing more detail about it. So this is how it looks like. You have to tear it up from here. I will open it when I do a video. So the next thing I bought, their famous primer. This one is their Honeydew Me Up primer. This one is a hydrating primer. You can use for oily skin, you can use for dry skin. It will hydrate your skin. And I think there is a gold spark or something in it. I like the applicator. It's so sticky, as you can see. It literally smells like honey. Whoa, it's so hydrating, and it feels like so velvety, like the silicone base primer. It feels like this, but it's so hydrating, which I love about any primer. I love hydrating primer a lot. Let's move on to next product. So the next product is this one. This one, their 3-step to scalp. It's a bronzer or contour kit, as you can see. So you can get a bronzer shade, a shimmer blush, and a shimmer bronzer or a highlighter type of palette, I am in shade Deep. So the next thing I bought this NYX Epic Ink Liner. So in the shade Black. I am not a liner girl, but every girl need a good eyeliner, right? So I bought this one. Earlier I was using the Maybelline gel liner, but there is a problem with the Maybelline one. So when the Maybelline gel liner is about to finish, it will get so dry. So I couldn't help it. So I really wanted to move on something like a pen liner, and this one I think red. This tip is so sharp and it's so black. And the next product I bought this mascara. This is their NYX Ode the Hype mascara. It's a waterproof mascara, and again I was stuck into only the Maybelline mascara, so I wanted to try something new, and I bought this. The final product I bought, this one. This is also their new collection. This one is a Bear With Me Prime Set and Finish setting spray. You can just, it's a primer water or it's a setting spray. You can use either both. So you can use you can use before makeup or you can use after makeup. There's a lot of claim. So for primer, it's claim. For primer, it's claim minimize appearance of pores. It will reduce your pores. And for setting spray, it says sets makeup. Makeup doesn't smooth after spraying. Helps makeup last throughout the day. And for touch up, it says skin look refreshed. Skin looks rested. Give skin a dewy glow. It's not a matte based primer or a setting spray, which I love the most again. Skin feels smoother, feels hydrating, and then doesn't dry out skin. So there's a lot of claim in this one bottle, so I'm gonna use it and then I am gonna give a honest review to you all. So yeah, this was my mini NYX makeup haul. Hope you guys enjoy it. See you on my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all.